Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you my simple wash day routine. It's pretty simple, so you want to make sure that you enjoy and watch this entire video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos like this one. Please subscribe down below. It's really free. You just click on that subscribe button and you'll be subscribed to my YouTube channel. So I'm starting out on hair that has been this protective style for about 2 weeks. My hair is pretty dirty and it's ready to be washed. And as you can see, I've been wetting it with water because it takes a while for my hair to soak in any water. But anyway, we are going to start by shampooing my hair. That's what I like to do first, and I'm gonna concentrate that on my scalp because that's the area which I put a lot of oils and butters on. So I want to make sure that my scalp is cleansed and clean. So you want to take your time when you're doing this, and I like to really concentrate my shampoo on my scalp because honestly guys, like the butters, the grease, everything that I use on a weekly basis is incredibly a lot. So you want to make sure that your hair is pretty clean, and I like to do that the first time it's not lathering up at all because my hair is dirty and my scalp is extremely dirty. But I like to use as much shampoo as I can to make sure that my hair is really clean. And so I like to go in with a second shampoo and then concentrate that on my scalp, making sure that I rub that and massage it in and make sure that I remove any buildup, anything on my scalp. And as you are seeing there, I am really scrubbing my scalp. But you want to make sure that you're gentle when you're doing this. And then I like to rub the rest of the shampoo on the rest of my twists to make sure that it just removes every dirt. And my hair really was dirty on this one because my shampoo was not lathering up at all. Like you can see that it was not lathering up. So I'm just going to do that again to make sure that I get a really good lather, because when my hair is lathering up, I know it's pretty clean. So I'm just going to go in and put some more shampoo on my scalp to make sure that my hair is clean. So I'm just going to do that one more last time, and I promise this is the last time I'm going to be doing that. But really, this is a very important step in my wash day because I want to make sure that my hair is clean so that I can be able to put in the other products that I want, like moisture, all of those things. And I want to make sure that your hair is clean when you do that. So I also like to unravel my twist and make sure that I really let the shampoo run through the rest of my hair. So I'm going to do that for the rest of my hair, unravel the twist and put them back again, and then I'll wash it out. And by this time my hair is quite clean. It's really clean, you can tell. It's shiny, it's super clean. I can feel that it's clean. And so what I do is I like to squeeze out the rest of the water before I go in with my deep conditioning, which I also do in the bathroom for easy access. So I'm just gonna do it from here, but I wanted to show you how my hair is looking like, and you can see it's shrinking up because that's what natural hair does. It shrinks up. I'm gonna go in with my Auntie Fix My Hair Intense Repair Conditioning Mask. This mask is absolutely amazing. It just makes my hair really soft. It's very easy to detangle my hair when I'm deep conditioning using this mask. And I really like to concentrate it on the ends of my hair and the roots of my hair. I just literally, this is the best mask so far according to me. But when I'm not using this mask, I'm using my African's Best olive oil deep conditioner or my mayonnaise olive oil deep conditioner. Like I like to alternate from those two deep conditioners, but whichever deep conditioner you're using, girl, just make sure that it's everywhere. Like every hair strand has that deep conditioner on it. So I really like to take my time deep conditioning my hair, and also I like to use this time to finger detangle my hair And as you can see, my hair was starting to get a little bit dry because I have been deep conditioning in twists. But yeah, if you see that your hair is starting to be dry, just dump a little bit of water and then apply your deep conditioner. But this deep conditioner smells really good, and it makes my hair soft to the touch. I love, you know, how it feels on my hair. Again, you guys, twisting my hair on my wash day is the best therapeutic thing. I feel relaxed when I'm doing it, but also it's pretty easy for me to like work with my hair in twists or braids, like when I'm like doing this wash day routine. So yeah, I'm done with my deep conditioning mask, and right now I'm just gonna leave it for about 30 minutes. I really like to deep condition for a long period of time because I really want to make sure that my hair really gets the benefit that it gets from the deep conditioner. And then after 30 minutes, I'm gonna wash it out, and you want to make sure that you really do wash the deep conditioner out. You don't want to leave it out, and I know because your hair is in twist, you might miss some spots and then leave your deep conditioner in. So you want to make sure you take your time to squeeze out all the product out of your hair so that you don't have any product left in when you're moisturizing, because then it's just going to be a disaster. So you want to make sure that you clean it out. So take your time, and I'm cleaning with a little bit of warm water. So yeah, and then I'm gonna do like cold water rinse after when I'm done. And then I am going to go to the part of styling, and this is my favorite part because it makes me think that I'm already done with my wash day. But yeah, I love to moisturize my hair, and this is my favorite part of my wash day. And I'm going to be starting with a leave-in conditioner by Cantu. And I love this deep conditioner, and it's running out, so I wanted to make sure that I finish it. But it's really good. It smells good, and it makes my hair really soft, and it gives me like a really good moisture. So I'm going to detangle my hair with my fingers first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use my tangle teaser, which has been a lifesaver so far. I love this tangle teaser, you guys. It just makes everything so much easier now. But yeah, I like to first use my fingers before I go in with the tangle teaser. I'm going to be using my Aloe Defining Curl Mustard. This is going to add more moisture, but also this acts as my cream when I'm moisturizing my hair. And I'm going to make sure that I apply it on every strand of my hair to make sure that my hair is moisturized. And then I'm gonna go in with my Blue Magic. You guys, you already know I love Blue Magic, but I'm gonna be using my Castor oil Blue Magic. I love this because it makes my hair really soft, and I'm gonna concentrate that on my ends of my hair, and then I'm gonna work it in through the rest of my hair. You guys, when I seal with Blue Magic, I cannot do anything during the week. I can't. Because you're done. Like, if you're sealing your hair with Blue Magic, there's nothing that's gonna come in, there's nothing coming out, so you're done. So I like to use grease because then I don't get to re-moisturize my hair during the week, and my hair stays moisturized until the next wash day. So grease is grease is everything. So yeah, I'm just gonna twist my hair, and then that's it. Like, literally that's it. I'm gonna do that for the rest of my twist by just moisturizing with my leave-in conditioner, and then applying my Aloe, and then making sure that I detangle my hair really well before I twist it up. And yeah, like, seal all of that with my grease. Like, you guys, by the way, I really loved detangling my hair with this tangle teaser. Like, I went on and on and on. And as you can see, guys, I'm applying my DIY oil on my scalp and massaging it in, because I'm not gonna do this after when I seal it all with grease. So I like to apply that on my scalp, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And then, as you guys can see, I'm trying to braid my hair a little bit from the root, and then I twist up my hair for the rest of my hair, because my roots tend to be a little bit frizzy, you know, if I do just twists. But yeah, when I do braid up a little bit, it stays there for forever. So this is my hair. It looks so good. It really does. It looks so good. It looks so moisturized. I love it. So I'm gonna keep my hair like this for the rest of the week because this is just me. This is how I do it. This is the simplest version of my wash day. Like, I'm just gonna keep it like that, tie it up in a bun or something, and yeah, just have this for the rest of the week, and then I will do this one more time next week. But I want to show you exactly how much I was able to lose for this entire detangling process, and this is how much I lost. And by the way, I did not lose any hair when I was deep conditioning or like washing my hair. That's it. And then I'm gonna go in and put my satin bonnet, and I'm gonna Netflix and chill and enjoy my Sunday, and then I will see you in my next video because I'm gonna repeat this next week. Bye.